I am a welder by trade. I'm an engineer by education. My dad's an engineer as well. I was probably like 8 and he went to a trade show and he brought home a buckle, like a backpack clip that was FDM printed out of nylon. It was really low resolution and very early technology. That was kind of my first exposure to 3D printing. I'm Nathan Stevens. Most everybody calls me Nate. I'm the Director of Operations for Lifestyle Additive. We are a medical device manufacturer focused on SLS nylon 3D prints. Lifestyle Medical Distributors is a group of friends and family that have decided we wanted to build a company around improving people's lives and improving the lives of customers and team members as well. So our primary objective is serving the needs of our customers on the engineering side. Rapid prototypes, small scale production, and validated production quality parts. A lot of the stuff that we make right now is prototype level. What that'll end up being is single-use disposable surgical kits, drill guides, driver handles, sizer trials for different implants. Lifestyle Additive has 2 of the P1 machines. The P1 has better resolution, more dimensional stability, and then just from a user interface, it's really pretty simple to operate. With SLS, inherently comes the ability to utilize all 3 dimensions of the build space without any supports. On longer weekend builds, I can pack the build frames full of parts and come in Monday morning and every single part's the same. SLS was our preferred process primarily for the material properties. With solid parts, you get more consistent material properties, you get stronger parts, better finishes, higher resolution. These parts, when they're finished, are not prototypes anymore. These are end-level parts that can be qualified and validated. It's something we see a lot when we're talking to potential customers is they're surprised at the surface finish of the parts, and it compares to injection molded parts pretty well. The benefits of SLS printing over injection molding are substantial, primarily in design geometries and features that just simply can't be made any other way. It cuts down on assembly costs. On top of that, you get the ability to change designs. You send us the updated part and we start printing that part. But what SLS provides you is a path forward to get to market quickly with end-use quality parts. When you've got the volumes to justify it, you can bring in injection molded parts. There's a place that they can work together. The SLS provides that speed to market that you just won't get with injection molding.